This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to use deep research in Gemini. So logged into Google Gemini, as you can see right here, gemini.google.com/app. So very simply, here's where you'd normally prompt. Let's just write normally prompt there. Okay, so this is the main place where you will talk to the chatbot. As you can see, it says ask away Matt. But instead of writing a prompt straight away, what we will do to get that deep research is we will click this plus icon right there. That becomes kind of an X to X out of it. And then we need to come down nearly to the bottom where it says deep research, and Google describes this as get detailed reports. So we will click deep research. And then from there, we are now in deep research mode, as you can see here with that little toggle there. So we have sources here, and we can also add additional files in a normal way that we will add a file to Gemini. So rather than just prompting normally, we can then start to ask it maybe about deep facets of sort of the medical literature. If you have like an ongoing medical problem or something, you want some advice there. Maybe along the lines of finance, maybe you want to add a ton of files here, different CSVs, spreadsheet files and stuff, and you can get it to do some extensive data analysis, as well as searching the web more deeply. The idea with deep research is you're going a lot deeper than just this kind of cursory normal prompt. So that is deep research with Google Gemini. Very straightforward. That is how you do it. You're going to put your prompt here, and you can be as detailed and extensive as you want, and you will get deep research back. It will take a little while, a little bit longer than it does for one of these normal prompts using the normal models, but the deep research will just go that much deeper, pardon the pun. So hopefully you found this video useful and informative. If you have, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.